आपको पता है हमने आपको क्यों बुलाया है?
बताइए।
क्योंकि हम सब जानना चाहते हैं व्हाट इज द सीक्रेट टू रिवर्स एजिंग।
क्या बात है, थैंक यू, व्हाट अ स्टार्ट। बहुत खुश हुई ये सुनकर। इट फील्स वेरी नाइस व्हेन पीपल से दैट, बट आई डोंट नो, आई लिव लाइफ इन ग्रेटिट्यूड एंड आई love what I do. I love my job and I wake up every morning saying thank you and I work out every day.
Well, it totally shows with your glowing skin and your fit body. We are going to be speaking a lot more about this. But सबसे पहले ये जानना चाहूँगी, I know you're a mom of two. How do you start your day? Is it a slow morning or a head start?
I love slow mornings, I have to tell you, but chance ऐसा मिलता नहीं है हर रोज। जब स्कूल के दिन होते हैं तो हम सब 6:15 और 6:30 के बीच उठते हैं।
Yeah.
जब मैं सुबह उठती हूँ ना, तो सबसे पहले मैं देखती हूँ मेरे वेरेबल ने मुझे क्या स्कोर दिया है। How
Well, you
was the
slept?
quality of my sleep? Did I
Okay.
do well? What kind of score I got? What kind of rating I got? What my resting heart rate was? सबसे पहले मैं वो देखती हूँ।
अरे वाह।
Weekends होते हैं तो तब slow morning का मौका मिलता है, and I really love it because we just wake up and we spend a little time in bed, we chat, we hang out. I love slow mornings.
अब ये जानना चाहेंगे आप खाते क्या हो? To look the way you do. What is it that you like to eat? How do you start your mornings? How do you fuel yourself?
The correct word is lacto over vegetarian,
Okay.
which means
Very complicated.
which
but
means
yes.
I'm not a vegan,
Okay.
which means I'm a vegetarian who eats eggs
Okay.
and I take milk, and so not a vegan, so a vegetarian plus eggs. The cool way to say it is eggetarian.
Okay.
So I'm that. I start my day with this.
Coffee.
1 glass of water, then 1 cup of black coffee, and then I have protein inside dahi. I take protein before I work out as well. And I found that when I do that, I'm less injury prone. It's amazing. Protein before and after.
Okay.
Yeah. And I have a little bit of fruit, and that fuels me for my workout. Post workout, I can have some eggs, or I can have a protein bar, depends on whether I'm on the go or not. That's my breakfast. That's as far as the morning is concerned. Lunch, I don't complicate things. It's dal, roti, sabzi. Dinner is dal, roti or dal, sabzi. So I don't eat too much for dinner. Dinner is early also. It's at 7 o'clock in the
Oh,
evening.
really? Okay.
So yeah. So I just think our diet, our Indian diet is so amazing.
Yeah.
And the kind of vegetarian options we have.
Yeah.
I mean, I can just eat 2 bowls of really nice sabzi. I love lauki, I love bengan,
Okay.
I love bhindi. So, I mean, I can have 2-3 bowls of that and be fully satiated and feeling good, and I'm not taken in carbs, and I'm still not feeling, I'm not left feeling hungry.
Right. Let's just consider today is a slow morning,
It is a slow morning.
and we're going to enjoy a power breakfast.
Oh, thank you.
So we are at Sante Spine Cuisine in BKC, and these guys serve the best healthy vegetarian food, and we've ordered a bunch of dishes for you for a power breakfast.
Ooh, I'm already happy.